this anger to vote against this wickedness. My wife, myself, my children, we are fully obedient.
Welcome to Open Whispers channel. See something, say something, and please do something. The election is 5 days or less away. The well-known Apostle Suleman has spoken, and he says, for me and my family, me, my wife, and my children, we are obedient. The country is going down, to say the least. The poor continue to suffer, but the clerics, be it Muslim, as we have seen, or Christian clerics, they are spoken in one voice, and all seem to be saying that Obi is the only way. He is not the Messiah, but at least he will find a common ground for Nigeria to start afresh. For me and my family, we are obedient. What about you? What do you think? Do you believe that going the old way, the old order, will salvage Nigeria? Some have said that this is our last chance. February 25th is due, or backward, forward. Which way do you decide? Are you obedient? Or do you believe in those that say that going to Supreme Court will save them? Where was El-Rufai when bandits kidnapped the train passengers from Kaduna to Abuja? Where was El-Rufai when Buhari disobeyed the court order to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, or the Islamic cleric that was arrested? They were all silent. But now that Buhari had disobeyed the court order, saying that the status quo should be maintained in terms of vote buying, because to me that's what it means, and he's going to Supreme Court. Where do you stand on this issue? Are you with the people, or are you against the people? Let me know what you think. February 25th, are we obedient or are we rebellious? Rebellious in terms of for the people to continue suffering, or are we obedient in answering the call of nature, saying that this is time for a change? Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch until we meet again in this arena. Are you obedient or are you rebellious? Get in the comment section and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please share the video. This is Chris Digos in Open Whispers. Thank you. Cheers.